Check out some ideas how a youth group can learn more about working in partnership. Together, make a video in which young people introduce themselves. Present a topic that your group is interested in and things they wish to know more about. The video should be easy to share with the partners and can help in starting to build a common project. Give the young people made-up flight tickets and a map with all the participating Erasmus Plus countries. With the help of the flight tickets, the young people can share what they know about each country and which one they wish to explore more. It will help to understand if a youth group would like to visit the country they know or the one less explored. Each partner group creates 3 online word clouds: 1 of words that best describes their group, 2 of words that best describe why they want to be a part of the youth exchange, and 3, one of words that best describe the group's strengths they bring to the exchange partnership.